Vlogmas day 5. And we're gonna give some trouble. Let's get right into it. So we finish washing pie then? Rinse with bleacher. No, use the next. No, that I use that one there. Feel like I would drink something nice. But me know what would I drink.
You must have something nice most in the fridge.
Just know what would I drink though.
Yeah.
What would I drink? So what am I going to drink?
What do you mean I drink? Something in the fridge to drink right away. Until I haven't eaten. For something sweet for you, for something sweet in the fridge. If you're not feeling for that, drink water. Best thing I can eat sometime, you know. Whoa, wait, whoa. Whoa.
What?
Oh, man, I talk to you when I do your thing.
Babe, I'm sighing because I'm wondering what I'm going to drink.
You can't tell no lie, man.
Babe, I'm not sighing.
You're good, man.
I'm not talking for like how you started with the attitude now, something to tell you. You know what best time because I already started giving me attitude and I'm not lying. I was sighing because I don't know what to drink. I'm not hungry, but I want something to drink. Yeah, leave them two pot on the stove. Nothing in them.
You cannot make finish what you do like that.
I want to talk to you about something.
See, no talk, miss. Why you come here, sir? I want this stay in the pot, man. Why you come here, sir, and tell me you want to talk? And you're there to talk. Talk, me here.
I don't like your attitude. Attitude where you give me, I don't like it.
Don't give me the attitude, then I get it back.
I didn't give you any attitude.
Lady, kind of man.
Me a call lady?
Alright, man.
Alright, boy, I don't like the attitude.
Oh, we have to call boy.
Exactly, you see how it sound? Don't sound good, right?
We call him boy.
I don't like the attitude where you give me, I know. I'm not going to tolerate it and I speak up. But you don't love me anymore?
Jesus.
You don't want to be with me?
Babe, stop the foolishness, man.
What kind of foolishness? Me I talk about how me feel and a foolishness? What we say about speaking about our feelings?
Say Jesus, say down for me, heaven true.
Yeah, sing me out and me I talk about how me feel. So if you just vent to our next man then.
Bro, if you feel like you want to go into a man, why you can start the argument with me?
So you want me to do that?
Do you set out for doing a man and
Me not set out for do, me set out to come talk to you.
Say no talk then.
And I'm telling you about your attitude.
Which attitude?
The one where you have give me, the one where you been and give me.
Which
you
attitude?
See somebody else?
Can I man, let me finish the man, baby. I tell the truth. I'm going to be there and sit and sit.
No, you have somebody else. No, tell me. Tell me because me feeling and my spirit.
So really, I see somebody else too.
Oh.
I know you see me, you want me there with this. I'm used to.
Who then?
It's not different.
What me do to your face to that?
I don't know. So me I say that make sense? And that is so like when you come back.
Oh, you don't make no sense of my feelings.
Bro, it's alright, you can.
So you cheat?
Feelings are not.
Are you cheating?
Don't find out now.
I mean, I agree with some.
Yeah, do I not stay alone?
Why me leave you alone?
Yeah, just excuse me.
Who else you talk to?
But talk now, where you come with the back of contrary argument for? What you say?
I don't like how you treat me.
How am I treating you?
Like you don't love me anymore.
Oh, a man, alright. A man when I treat a girl and love them, when I treat them like.
Like how you are treating
How am
me?
I treating him?
Bad.
How?
Like me not exist.
How? How?
Like you're not paying me no mind.
How?
You feel like you do it, but you're not doing it.
No, I'm not do it. Or you want me to do it?
And as a man, you see your girlfriend here so I cry out.
Yeah, cry out say. What you supposed to cry out say? What are exact? Alright. Babe, cry out, babe. What you cry out
You
say?
hear me I cry out here, I tell you how me feel, and all you can do, I just mock me.
Me see I do. I try to make trouble.
Me not try to make no trouble, Jason. Are you even in love with me? You still love me? You still love me? No, answer. Be a man. Man up and tell me.
No, me a girl. I be a girl. I be a girl. I don't know what kind of trouble I come. I don't know why you sit down and watch and get up and come this side fast.
You even love me?
Why you come ask me that?
When I say buy me one chocolate, when last?
When last my you want?
Chocolate, when last?
So since we are the facts now, hold on. Me and you are swag. We look for Gunner. My name buy one chocolate that day.
Jason, look at the long time chocolate.
Long time woman.
Look at the long time chocolate.
No, you know, let me tell you something. You see, if you're greedy, go bad your belly and ball, man. You're greedy, man. You want too much out of life, man. I say you're greedy, man. Greedy, man. Your backside greedy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, hold on. No. I just said I love you. My girl, move from me, sir. Move from me. Move from me, sir, no, man.
No, I'm here.
Yo, I trouble you. No, trouble you can't try.
No, I'm here.
No, man, you see some woman do unreasonable. Wait. No, you piss me off now. Where you call argument from?
Just a turn around.
You don't want to turn around, man.
Turn around.
What exactly me do? Talk. No. Me a cheat you like me don't love you, so tell me what exactly me do it. Listen, you see your man a cry out. Your man crying out. Why you come and cheat? Oh, me a cheat you like me don't love you, no. Yo, don't cook it, sweet. Don't cook it. Yo, you say don't cook it. Yo, if you not let my face by 2. Yo, stop kissing me now. Baby, you don't say you don't pick problem with me too much, baby. You know say what you stop test my face.
So baby, if you know say I do things then why you make me get by your nerve?
But why you trying to get on my nerve? Because thing you have a deal with my brain and say just come on this side before drowning me.
Because I'm pranking you. Somebody should make you get by your nerve and then kiss you.
Yeah, excuse before that property accidentally catch you. Excuse.
I'm glad somebody come in here, wash up your pop them. Hey, we left
Move.
But babe, you really can't talk about the long time chocolate we buy here?
Yeah, but I don't want month yet.
Yeah, but...
No, you are the facts. You say me not buy chocolate. I'm sure me buy you. So you know what, yo, me need to buy that way.
No, go ahead.
No, you want a girl, want a man to just do something for them.
Aww. Baby, I know me appreciate you.
I cry for you. Better get some.
Like this morning? Why? I'm just provoking you, babe.
Good, man.
Baby, I know I'm not have nothing to argue about. You're doing so good and I'm proud of you.
Yeah, I think how much million things I care about.
A long time in a prank here now?
Oh.
Long time in a prank here.
So go me say the same thing.
Are your business that?
You look try prank people. Oh, you can't try.
What you bought me for? You a goat?
I am.
Are you a goat?
I am the goat.
Your forehead big and tough and it hurt me.
Look how your forehead big.
Don't.
Not I told which one I have a more size in
you
my
want
forehead.
to tell me that.
A long time. You should not tell you. Kyle, I'm not tell you the truth.
So you think my forehead big, Jason?
No, you're not big. Big and one small word. And you heard like humongous.
Jason, my forehead still like that?
Yeah, but a big forehead girl I talk to them. Who they talk to if your forehead ain't big? Just like when you like them when you're ugly. And like you say, you say I be ugly man I talk to. And I tell you say I be a big forehead girl.
I never tell you I be an ugly man I talk to. I tell you I have something for ugly guys.
Yeah, well.
And then not ugly, because ugly is a strong word, unique.
Well, you have something for big forehead girls.
I thought you make me know that my forehead big.
Tell us something see. You see? After so many years, they still find out certain things. The relationship can boring.
But if I trouble you still, you'll be a good person.
Oh man, you're not a good person.
No, you're
You wake up and play more. It's good because you buy a chocolate.
I never, that's the first thing we come to you about. But complain about several things. Babe, how much time you tell us that don't put no pot in that something there?
I know.
No, make it pop down with the glass there.
It's not gonna.
Okay, not because it is stirring means you have to pop up it with pot.
Bro, you know, say, you just come piss me off for no reason.
Maybe, sir?
No, for me, then I'm thoughts in the car. So me apologize.
Yeah, but, yeah, yeah, apologize to me for what?
No, come in, no say. Now later, I decide to have episode 3. I'm gonna start all over again.
Babe, I'm not
You
trouble.
don't know, I just feel like you just do this as use the prank as a cover up, like you didn't want to.
No, babe, no.
To cry out to me. Yeah, sure, say you come under your vibes and I can't try use prank.
Me really a prank you, babe. Me honestly a prank you.
Check if your period.